bitches kisses. Syrup got me twisted. G59 the misfits. Swerving and I'm fucked up. Serving time I'm locked up. Chopper spray and Mac truck. You live a life of bad luck. All my hoes do drugs. All my homies thugs. Bitches fucking scrubs. Explorer on some dubs. This that flex on them with no mercy. That text I get at 1:30. Yo bitch, begging to get fucked. Leggings on but I rip them up. Just enough to sign a bin. All about them Benjamins. That presidents I'm heaven said you just a fuck boy. That's irrelevant. Bow down to your sensei. You talking to a god boy.
G59. Swerving past the church, you know, black clothing, holding up, middle finger, max, shoulder, throwing catch hoes, running glass, get their back broken, pop the cap open, throat soaking, in some liquor potion, ocean motion, toast to the stars, got the great view from Mars, spit a couple bars just to show but they hard. 5'9" ain't far from the start, all brain and heart, gotta play your part in the game, make sure you aim the dart.
Fresh fruit by the platter, sipping water, hair splatter, got ash on my shirt, but I'm me so it never matter, fuck the job, staying home, rolling bones till I'm gone, hair ties on my wrist, this the dope ghost, laying in my bed, feeling dead now, money stashed in my pocket with the bands now, I don't like rap cause they do it wrong, I'm isolated cause I cannot take this shit no more. Laying in my bed now, feeling kinda dead now. Money stashed up in my pocket with the bands now. I don't like rap cause they do it wrong. I'm isolated cause I cannot take this shit no more. Wait, yeah.